All right, let's talk about the extra practice problem here. Draw a top side and front view of each figure on the next slide. Okay, on the next blank side, draw a front top side view of either. So you only have to do 16 or 17. Don't have to do both. Do one or the other. You can draw it using Google Slides, or you can sketch it on a piece of paper and upload the image onto the slide. Whatever is easiest for you. But I need one of them done. Now let me show you what both solutions would look like here. But once you've completed this. So I'll go to the next slide here. Now, before I go to the next slide here, notice how here, there's kind of like a four-sided pyramid on top. A rectangular pyramid on top of a rectangle. Rectangle, rectangle, or cube, cube, prism, prism. Bearing that in mind there. All right, so now I'll go to the next slide. All right, so again, if we were to look straight down on the top of that pyramid, all we see is just the triangles coming off each side. We don't see the triangles. Now, when we talk about the front sides here, now you're going to notice something here. You're going to notice that I have this kind of lined up here, here. See the top kind of lines up to there. I'm kind of like, even though I'm sketching, I'm trying to keep some accuracy in the size here. And so I'll get it all kind of like lined up. And there's some other ways I can do with an angle here and lines to make sure I get this side correctly, but I can pretty much guesstimate best on that. Now, I prefer to start with the top, and then I go up to the top, and then I go to the side. You can use whatever works best for you, but that's just a little something you can keep in mind. So if we go to the other one, again, I got my front. If I were to look head on, I'd see that front of the rectangular prism, and then that other one which goes across the top. And of course the line kind of show thing, but I cannot see any depth. Now when I look at the top, I know that the piece on top sticks up, and so I can see the bottom down, up, down in terms of how it lies. And then when I look at the side here, going across here, we see how now that top piece, how it sticks up. And we see how the bottom here is that, bottom here is that, and so we've got a good depiction of the front, top, and side view of these objects here. I hope that helps in my explanation here, and hopefully I got some good drawings or some good sketches. All right, out here.